marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 7:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of McHenry to 8 nautical miles southwest of Elgin, moving northeast at 30 knots.
Wait, are we getting
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
Wait, we're getting
Source,
something?
radar. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Alright, so, I guess, get out of my way! Okay, so I guess we're gonna get something soon. But, well, skies are perfect, so Elgin West. So, this is, I see what they mean now. There's all those clouds over there. Oh, well, bye guys.